In this video, we will discuss about the Karnaugh map with three variables. Hello everyone, you are watching New Knowledge Zone channel. If you like this video, click the subscribe button, click the bell button to get the notification about the upcoming videos. We'll move on to the video. In an easy way. K-map is a graphical method which consists of 2 power n cells for n variable. The adjacent cells are deferred only in a single bit position. Rules for designing a K-map. Select the K-map according to the number of variables. Find out the min terms and max terms as given in the problem. For sum of products, put 1 in the blocks of K-map in the min terms position and in remaining places put 0. For sum of product I have given already one video, you can check that video. For product of sum also I have put already one video. Put zeros in the blocks of K-map in the max terms position and in the remaining places put 1. Make rectangular groups by combining blocks in powers of 2 like 2, 4, 8 and try to cover as many elements as you can in one group. Solve the expression. 3 variable K-map. The number of cells in 3 variable K-map is 8. Since the number of variables is 3. So 2 power 3 is 8. 3 inputs are there. You have 8 blocks. Gray code. So gray code is a pattern. According to that only we are going to label the terms inside the cell and also for the heading. Each cell within the K-map has a definite place value which is obtained by using an encoding technique called as gray code. In this gray code method, the adjacent code value differ only by a single bit. Each and every box should have a difference of single digit. In K-map, the rows and columns of the table uses the gray code labeling. Truth table. The truth table for the 3 variable K-map is given below. Here A, B, C are taken as the input variables, F is the output and M represent the min terms. So 0, 0 combination, 0, 0 combination, we are going to take that as M0. Then 0, 0, 1 is M1. So likewise for the 3 inputs, 8 set of combinations are taken in the truth table. The following figure shows the 3 variable K-map. So the diagram K-map have to be designed like this. And you have to take one variable in a vertical manner, Y and Z in a horizontal manner. So in vertical direction I am taking the values like 0 and 1. In an horizontal direction I am taking the values like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is designed according to the gray code. If you see after the 0, 1, actually 1, 0 will come. But here we are writing 1 and 1. After that only you are getting the number as 1, 0. This is because of the gray code pattern. If you put 1, 0 after 0, 1, both the digits will be changing. So that have to be avoided. As we discussed in the gray code, only one digit have to change. So 0, 1 is changed as 1, 1. And then from 1, 1 we are getting the value as 1, 0. I am writing it in terms of variable here. And inside the boxes you will be getting a value like 0, 1, 3, 2. Not 2, 3. 0, 1, 3, 2. And in the second row 4, 5, 7, 6. So this is the way of designing the 3 variable K-map. And while doing a simplification in the question everything will be given whether it is equal to 1 or 0. Suppose if M0 is 1, M1 is 1, M4 is 1, M5 is 1. You have to put 1 in these 4 places and remaining places write 0. Then pair. What are the methods of grouping? Pair. Pair indicates 2 ones can be combined. So either in the horizontal direction or in a vertical direction but not in a diagonal manner. Next is the quad. Quad is nothing but grouping of 4 ones. A group of 4 ones or zeros in horizontal or in vertical form is said to be a quad and those cells can be combined. So here if you see the horizontally 4 ones are combined and in vertical manner 2 other ones are combined. Okay, so you can group it in group as 4 ones. 4 ones you can make it as a square also. That is also possible. And rolling, this is another method of simplification in writing the values, combining the values in K-map. The ones which are present in the leftmost corner cells can be combined with the rightmost corner cells, and similarly the top cells can be combined with the bottom cells. Here I have shown the example for combining the cells which are present in the left side and right side bottom corners. Okay, you can combine it if it is present in the up and down manner. Okay, so this is said to be rolling. And next is the overlapping. The ones present already in one group can be used by another group. That is called as overlapping. So 1 and 1, we am forming a pair in a vertical manner, and I am combining 4 ones as a quads in a horizontal manner. And in the second row or second column, if you see 1 is there, which is used in both the groups. Okay, that is said to be overlapping of ones. That is allowed here. Okay, so these are the techniques which we are following to reduce the variables present in a K-map, and these are the methods of designing a K-map. I have put another video for the simplification of the K-map. Hope you understand the concepts of what is K-map, what is 3 variable K-map, what are the reduction techniques, what is the truth table, and how to design a K-map diagram. We will see the next video for doing a simplification using the K-maps. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this channel. Thank you.